Are you planning to live or work in Colombia for more than a few months? Then the Colombian Migrant Visa, or Type M visa, might be your best path to legal residency in 2025 and 2026. I'm Anna from Servicio Legal Colombia, a professional law firm that helps foreigners live, invest, and build their future legally in Colombia. Let's go step by step through everything you need to know: who qualifies, how to apply, and how this visa can lead to permanent residency. The Type M visa is for foreigners who want to live in Colombia long-term and have stable personal, work, or business ties to the country. It's perfect if you are married or in a civil partnership with a Colombian citizen, if you work for a Colombian company under a valid labor contract, if you invest in a legally registered Colombian business, or if you are a recognized professional, researcher, or missionary authorized to work in Colombia. Now let's talk about the requirements for 2025 and 2026. You must have a valid passport with at least 6 months before expiration, proof of income, employment, or investment, depending on your category. Supporting documents such as a marriage certificate, employment letter, or investment certificate, and health insurance valid in Colombia. All foreign documents must be translated into Spanish and apostilled by a certified translator. Everything is done online through the official Colombian Ministry of Foreign Affairs platform known as the Cancilleria. You'll fill out the digital form, upload your documents in PDF, and pay the visa fee online. Once submitted, the ministry reviews your case and issues a decision within up to 30 calendar days. If approved, you'll receive your e-visa by email. There's no need for in-person appointments. The migrant visa is usually valid for up to 3 years, depending on your category. You can renew it as long as your relationship, job, or investment remains valid. After 5 continuous years holding a valid migrant visa, you can apply for the resident visa, or Type R, which grants permanent residency in Colombia. Let's go over some common mistakes that applicants make. Submitting incomplete or inconsistent documents, forgetting to translate or apostille paperwork, letting your health insurance expire, or applying under the wrong visa category. A single mistake can delay or even deny your application, which is why having legal guidance from experts makes all the difference. At Servicio Legal Colombia, our immigration lawyers handle the entire process for you. We verify your eligibility, prepare your documents, and submit your application through the official platform to ensure your visa is approved quickly, legally, and safely. Book your free consultation today. We'll review your case, confirm eligibility, and help you get your Colombian migrant visa approved. Subscribe for weekly updates about Colombian visas, residency, and expat life in Colombia. This is Servicio Legal Colombia, your trusted legal partner to live, invest, and build your future legally in Colombia.